I am the Digital Services Librarian here at Gaston College, and today I'm going to show you how to access some of the research resources that we have available for you. We're going to start by going to the Gaston College main page, and you can access this page at gaston.edu. That's gaston.edu. And once you're at the gaston.edu page, you're going to look across the top of the page. You'll see several options in white. And if you will click on the second option where it says Library, and we click right there, it's going to take you to this page, which is the Gaston College Library's main page. Now, all of the resources that I'm going to be showing you in this series of videos can be accessed from this main library's page. But to streamline the process for you, we've put together a page that is specific to research. So I'm going to scroll down here toward the bottom of the page and show you how to access this research page. Now, there are several options down here in the bottom right-hand corner. The order of these may change over time for various reasons, but what you're going to look for is the option that says College Level Research. And then I want you to click on College Level Research, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, this is the College Research homepage, and this is going to be our landing page that we're going to use as a springboard for learning about the resources that we have available for you. Okay, as we continue to move across the tabs here, we just learned about evaluating websites and social media. We're now going to talk about plagiarism and citations. We're going to start by clicking on the Avoid Plagiarism tab. It's going to open up a page that gives you some information about plagiarism, beginning with a detailed definition of plagiarism, a guide to understanding written plagiarism, and a video that helps explain how you can avoid plagiarism within your research paper or project. So if you have questions about plagiarism, you can email us here. You can also go back and click on the Home tab, and that will take you to the College Research homepage, and from there you can chat with the librarian as well. So we're going to move to citations next. There are two tabs here. One is specifically for MLA citation information, and the other is for APA citation information. To show you how these are set up, I'm just going to use the first one, MLA citation. And when you click there, it's going to take you to the MLA citation page. One of the best ways to avoid plagiarism is making sure that you are citing your sources correctly and thoroughly. So this page has a lot of information. It's actually more than you'll ever want to know about citations, but any question that you have can be answered through resources on this page. I'm going to start by looking at the second tab. We're on the Home tab of the MLA Format Guide. That tab is How Do I Cite? You could go through and see exactly how to cite all different types of resources, from class notes and presentations to journal articles, newspaper articles, social media posts, statistics, works quoted in another source. This gives you information on any of these. You can click on one. For example, I'm going to click on social media, and it's going to go into detail, and you can even get more specific about what type of social media post it is. If I click on Twitter, it's going to tell you how to cite a Twitter post. Now, it also tells you how to do what are called in-text citations. Just having a bibliography page or a citations page at the end of your project or report is not enough. If you use direct quotes within your paper, if you use ideas that are specific to one of your resources, you have to do what are called in-text citations. And this will even tell you how to do those in-text citations for the different types of resources. So I'm going to move next to in-text citations. And this tells you what in-text citations are all about, why you need to use them, and how you use them. The next tab, Quick Rules for an MLA cited list. This talks to you about how to create a works cited list and how to do that correctly. And remember, with our digital resources, you have that added value of being able to click on the cite button and get the citation in the format that you need, that you can copy to your works cited page. Even though you may have to do a little bit of formatting on it, the bulk of the information is there. There's also a tab that can help you with any type of annotated bibliography, if that is something that is required of you for your research paper or project. So I'm going to click back on the Home tab here and remind you that anytime you have questions, actually I'm going to click off of that and go back to this Home tab for the College Research Home. And remind you that anytime that you have questions about anything, how to find a resource, how to cite a resource, how to avoid plagiarism, evaluating websites, any type of questions that you may have, you can email us here on this Home tab of the College Research homepage. You can also ask a librarian with the chat online feature that we have here. So I do hope this helps with your research.